Your needle felting projects never turn out the way you want. You're probably making one of these beginner's mistakes. Don't worry, almost everyone makes them in the beginning. But once you fix this, everything becomes easier and actually enjoyable. Mistake number 1: using too much wool at once. This makes your project harder to control and almost impossible to shape properly. Start small and build in layers. This gives you much better control and cleaner results. Mistake number 2: applying too much pressure. Many beginners think felting faster means pushing harder, but that actually damages the fibers and breaks the needle. Instead, use gentle, repeated movements. Mistake number 3: not building a solid base. If your base is too soft, your entire piece will lose its shape over time. A firm foundation is what makes your final piece look clean and professional. Mistake number 4: rushing. Needle felting is not about speed, it's about control and patience. Trying to finish too quickly usually leads to uneven shapes and frustration. Mistake number 5: using the wrong materials. Not all wool behaves the same, and poor quality materials can make the process much harder than it needs to be. If you have made any of these mistakes, that's completely normal. But this is exactly why many beginners feel frustrated and give up too early. The good news is, once you understand these basics and follow a clear process, needle felting becomes incredibly relaxing and satisfying. So, if you want a simple step by step guide where everything is explained clearly, including the exact materials and techniques, I've been created a beginner friendly tutorial and kit to help you get started the right way.